2 days before your new plan arrives, you will receive an email from MealestroAI asking about any fridge contents and products on promotion. MealestroAI uses these items in your upcoming meal plan to help reduce food waste and lower grocery costs. You can provide this information by clicking the link in the email or by going to Tools on our mobile home screen. You can either enter the products manually or take a photo for MealestroAI to extract the details. You can add up to 10 fridge items and up to 10 promotional products from our grocery store. Once you finish, this information will be saved and used in your next meal plan. You will see items from our fridge and promotional items clearly marked on the ingredient list and shopping list. If you need to update it before the plan is sent, just go to Tools and select Take a Snap again. If you don't provide this information, you will still receive the meal recommendation and will have a chance to provide this information again for the next meal plan.